So I received my LTC withdrawal in my Mixi crypto wallet, guys, in my Mixi exchange account. So as you can see, I received $3. This is from cointiply, so this is legit, and I received the withdrawal of $3. So this is the cointiply. So you can see here, guys, the history. So this is the payment history, guys. 30,000 coins confirmed. So I received the withdrawal on my Mixi account. So a short recap, guys, in this website. So you can earn through surveys, playing games. So you can earn also by bonus. For example, there is daily bonus here, guys. So you can spin and win. So as I said before, guys, the most highest paying is the surveys. So focus on surveys and doing offers, guys. So the CPX research, BitLabs, your surveys, theorem reach, that is the surveys I mostly use. Also daily on view PTC ads, you can also earn small amount. So just click the view and you will earn coins. So 30,000 coins is $3. You can also join the chat. So just click to qualify for rain pool. So that's all, guys, how to earn her in cointiply. You just need a lot of effort, guys. Invite friends to earn fast. So I didn't get a invite bonus, guys, because I earn only most in my independent way on surveys, games, and offers. So it's up to you, guys, to focus this website. But if you want to earn more, you need to do a lot of effort, especially on surveys and games. Thank you for watching.